Hello everyone, dear students who have appeared 10th. Even if you are in 9th and 10th, this video, and yes, your parents, dear parents, this is very important video about what after 10th. A biggest question in everybody's life to fulfill their dreams of their parents, of their teachers, of a student. Somebody wants to do space science, somebody wants to do agriculture, and somebody dreams of becoming an amazing artist, a musician, doctor, engineer, lawyer. Friends, this is so important. I have seen people getting depressed and frustrated even at the age of 65, and they repent on the issue that I wanted to do engineering but I could not. I never liked banking and I retired from bank after working for 35 years. So friends, it is a very crucial and important decision in your life. Into current pandemic, I hope you are taking good care of yourself and safe at home. And this video will definitely help you what to choose, how to choose, and how not to choose. All do's and don'ts about choosing your own career is something which is so important in your life. This is the perfect crossroad, dear teacher, dear friends, dear parents, dear students. This you are on crossroad. 10th standard will define the exact destiny of where you are going to live and what level of lifestyle you are going to get it. In this video, will be discussing and telling you three important points. What are they? The important careers in three major options after 10th standard for going into 11th and 12th. Three important options are arts, commerce, and science. Yes, of course, fourth is polytechnic and all, but I am focusing this video on arts, commerce, and science. And what are all those options? It is not typical BA, BCom, BSc, engineering, medical. No, there are very beautiful and amazing career options available. So first thing, I'll give you an entire list, the important, not entire, but the most happening, important and latest careers in arts, commerce and science. Then easy tips to choose a right career for you. Each individual is a unique thing. Each individual is unique and he needs a special career choice. He has to make his own right choice, which he can then lead a very successful, happy and satisfied career. Dear friends, so second thing, I'll give you some 4 or 5 important tips. Take screenshots or just take out your notepad and pen and note it down. This video is very important for you. And do's and don'ts while selecting career. How you should career, what you should do and what you should not do. That is also very important. So we'll understand these three aspects. So what after 10th? CBSE, state, ICSC, IGC, whatever board you are from. Options are arts, commerce and science. Whether you want to pursue your graduation, post-graduation in country India or abroad. But the fundamental choice will be art, commerce and science. Let us go alphabetically, friends. So first, arts. Arts is an amazing field. Psychology. If you find psychology amazing, then organizational psychology, industrial psychology, clinical psychology, there are wonderful options. History, geography, political science, music, yes, it can be a very good career. Do graduation, post-graduation, even from 11, 12, do music. If you love music, if you are a musician, music, any other performing arts. Friends, law is something very, very glamorous field. If you want to be an advocate, if you want to be a lawyer, Indian and foreign languages, yes, learn German, French, Japanese, Chinese for that matter. Dear students, there is a beautiful career in foreign languages. You can become a translator, you can work in a diploma. There are so many options. Movie making and animation, this is one of the very, very attractive careers students are looking for. Movie making, but yes, there are amazing careers, wonderful courses available into it. Journalism, news channels, media, mass communication is another stream wherein you can make your own career. You can select that course. Advertising, marketing, these are all courses available which art stream can offer. Humanities, yes, social sciences, content writing. See, in pandemic, YouTubing has boomed like anything. Thousands of YouTube channels with lakhs and millions and billions of viewers to it. and they are utilizing it. So content writing, developing content, becoming an editor, be an author of an online books. These all are civil services. Prepare for MPSC, UPSC right from your graduation, and you can be a successful in that career. You become an artist. International relations, yes, that is also very, very important career. If you are about physical fitness, if you are into sports, if you love gym, then physical education is a big avenue for all of you. Do graduation, post graduation, think about physical education. Think about pursuing your favorite sports, may it be cricket, hockey, and whatever, badminton, so all those things. So physical education, sports management, sports counseling, all these are very, very important careers. Fine arts, if you are good in sketching, if you are amazing painter, then fine arts is for you. Hotel management, yes, you want to become chef, you get into catering business, you want to become an hospital manager. Hospitality business is booming like anything. Hotel management is for you. Then art is providing. I've almost given 20 options now available on the screen. Event management, yes, forget about this pandemic, but online events are also going on, but this will go far, this will pass, and then events are events. So event management is a career. Second comes commerce. So option A was arts. We have seen 20 different options, and now commerce. What is commerce? Commerce is like people are like after 12 BCom, BBA, MBA. No, in BCom there are so many options. Along with BCom, start appearing for exams and entrance for chartered accountant. One of the most followed career into the commerce stream. Do chartered accountancy. Start working on that. Start appearing for exams. So CA, company secretary, CS is another thing. Do BBA and MBA. That is a very important field. Commerce provides you. Statistics and data analytics. Data analytics is going to rule the world, dear students. Find out these things. So statistics and data analytics. ICWA, yes. So CA, CS and ICWA are the major streams wherein commerce people want to work. Banking. Many good private universities are providing exclusive degrees, certificate course, diplomas, UG, PG programs on banking, exclusively on stockbroking, exclusively on insurance, financial expert. So friends, these are all options you can see on the screen for commerce. Now comes science. More sought for branch. And why science? 11, 12, you have to have physics, chemistry, maths, or that if you want to pursue a career in any stream, any branch in science. And when you say science, people just think of engineering and medical. Friends, engineering is the first option. When you opt for 11, 12 science, engineering is the first option. And in engineering, dear friends, mechanical, electrical, electronics, information technology, computer science, fine, civil, I know all these branches, you also know. What you should do is emerging area. What I'll suggest is go for data science, go for artificial intelligence, go for biotechnology, bioengineering, medical electronics, cyber security. These are the buzzwords. Another fourth revolution of industry will be demanding engineers from these top emerging area branches. So find out whether you can pursue your engineering in cyber security, in artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D printing. Friends, amazing career options are there in engineering beyond the traditional branches. Same with medical. When you say medical, it is MBBS, it is BMS, it is BHMS. Yes, Ayush, Ayurveda, yoga, dietitian is a wonderful course. If you are into medical colleges are offering degree in physiotherapy, lot of good scope. Sports is a specialization in physiotherapy. So friends, just choose career, just go through all these careers. Architecture, if you are good in design, if you are good in imagination, if you can visualize the things, then architecture is wonderful for you. Amazing career. You can be a very wonderful professional architect, which you can create structures forever. If you have bent of mind on design and drawings, friends, product design, fashion design, vehicle designs, interior designs are amazing courses being offered into various colleges pan India and abroad also. Pharmacy, pandemic has shown top business is pharmacy stores. So friends, pharmacy, if you have that bent of mind and you don't want to become a doctor, you want to run a business, you want to start your own medical store, pharmacy. If you want to do R&D into these biotechnology and pharmacy, some overlap fields, new drugs, new vaccine, pharmacy is your field. Pharmacy also needs 11th, 12th science. Then come the traditional BSc, MSc, physics, chemistry, maths, botany, zoology, but environmental science. I will recommend forensic. If you want to pursue BSc, MSc, go for biochemistry, go for microbiology, go for forensic. Another totally different field after science is agriculture. Yes, India is an agricultural country. Amazing research is going on. India needs good, intelligent brains to do research, to bring technology to agriculture. If agriculture is your option, friends, go for agriculture. Space science. Yes. There are colleges, there are institutions, research institutions which are providing education, UG, PG degrees, PhD programs on space science. So these are the list. I have given a long list to arts, commerce and science, but now friends, the most important is these are all available, but what is good for you? You are made for what? And what you love to do. What, if chosen, will give you a satisfied career? What, if chosen, you will repent throughout your life? What, if chosen, you can be a billionaire, right? And what, if you choose, you will miserably fail? What you choose, you would love lifelong learning. It's an era of lifelong learning. Choose something which you can follow, which you love to study. Choose something like that. So, very first thing, all of you, everyone has got this screen on their hands. Mobile, iPads, laptops, and you are smart enough. 10th standard students are mature enough these days. You are smart enough to search and research. So first option, tip number 1 is search and research. Do it yourself. Watch YouTube videos like this one I have prepared exclusively for you guys. Share it as much as you can. All those friends who will get a big help in selecting the career. So watch YouTube videos, surf related websites. If you feel like arts, go and surf art colleges websites. Though you want to pursue education in India, but surf foreign university websites also, because they will give you a complete feel about what this course is all about, what are scope, what are the opportunities, where I can get placed. These all things can come up with search and research into your chosen broad decision. Art, commerce, science is a broad decision. After this, you have to refine. You have to refine and zero down to one particular career. It's a very important, crucial and big and difficult task. But after watching this video, I am sure it will be very easy for you. You will be very comfortably selecting the career. Tip number 2, sample participation. This is very, very important. And everyone must do this. You have holidays. You have vacation right now. Sample participation. From far away you find, wow, I want to become lawyer. Wow, being a doctor, earning crores. BMW, Mercedes and Audi, all three are with doctors. Yeah, I want to become doctor. Sorry. This is not an option. Visit to your future workplace. If you want to become a mechanical engineer, go and talk to some friends in Mahindra and Mahindra and ask him, can I spend a day with your engineers into this core industry of tractor industry? Go to Indorama, go to Tata, go to Telco, go to Tisco, go to these core industries, go to Volkswagen and find out whether it suits you. Find out whether you will enjoy it or not. So visit to your future workplace and profession. If you want to become an architect, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a lawyer, go to their places, find out somebody, some contacts, go to their place and sit down with them for 2-3 days, and then you will realize getting that first hand feel is very important. Ask for internships and articleships. These days, companies, organizations are very open to invite young minds to catch up and to help them. So ask whether you can be an intern. Ask whether you can do some articleship. Ask if there are certain events into your future employer, your future organization. Then ask, can I do something? Volunteer yourself. manage some small event at that place. They are doing some conference, they are doing workshop. You will get a first hand close look of that profession, and it will be easy for you to decide. Tip number 3, meet the persons involved. Who are the persons involved in that career? Meet them personally. Call them, take their appointment. They may be busy, but it is your career, it is your life, and it is you have to crack the right deal, the right choice. Go to that professor, go to that teacher, go to that departmental HOD or dean of that institution, talk to principal of that college, and he will tell you the scope, the pros and cons of that exact career. Students from same course, go. If you are pursuing architecture, go to third year student, talk to him, he or she will tell, we work 24 hours. I have not slept for 4 nights. Design, you need amazing visualization. You can then compare. So talk to students. Talking to peer will be very comfortable and open. Go to professional who is already into profession. Talk to doctor, talk to engineer, talk to lawyer. Sit down with him. Spend some time, evening coffee with him, and understand the plus and minus of that profession, and then decide. Employees of your future employer. If you are planning for an IT as your career, you have TCS, you have Tech Mahindra, you have Persistent, you have so many companies, IT companies. Go sit down, understand, talk to them, and then you will understand whether it is your real cup of tea or not. 4th tip, dear friends, on my screen, take peer feedback. See, like you are doing survey, like you are rigorously watching videos like this one. So everybody in your class also must be doing, and they are your friends. So talk to them and understand what is so important, what you have thought, what are those options you have tried being. Ask also one important thing. What do you think I am good at? Many of your close friends, true friends, they will tell, come on, you are amazing in communication. Come on, you play guitar amazing. You should do career in guitar. Don't think of that. So these are peer feedbacks. Talk to your parents, talk to your siblings. Many times they know you better than what you know about you. So talk to them, talk to parents, talk to siblings. See, what do you think I should be? You can't be a doctor. Come on, don't tell me. Even you see blood on this, you get scared. You get horrified expressions. You can't do this. Your parents, your siblings can tell you something. And most important now, how not to choose right career. Please pay attention to these important aspects. Don't choose because you got good marks. Many of the parents, he got very good marks in 10th standard in maths, so I want him to pursue engineering. Sorry, marks always doesn't describe that you are good at. 10th standard exam patterns are very different. Marks will never. Skills are important, choice is important, love is important, passion about that subject is important. Then you may have scored less. What do you enjoy, what do you love is sometimes more important. So don't choose the subject just because you got good marks. I got very good marks in history, so I am going to pursue history as in my graduation program. No, history must be, you must be good. You have a good memorizing technique, so you have learned by heart and you must have received. But you love chemistry. What do you love is more important. Don't try to fulfill else's dreams. My papa wanted always to be an engineer. He couldn't, so I want to be. My mom wanted to become a doctor and she couldn't, so I don't. My elder brother couldn't get admission into medical, so I am now rigorously working to get admission into my papa's dream. I know, I understand. I respect your respect about your parents, but that will be a wrong decision. So don't choose because you have got good marks. Don't fulfill else's dream. Fulfill your own dream. Realize, do SWOT analysis, what you are good at. Family traditions. Yes, this is also a wrong way. Sorry, but this is a wrong way. It can prove at certain places good. Because your father owns a good mechanical industry. So though you love art painting, though you are into designing, but you are doing BE mechanical because you will be a future CEO of your own company, your papa's company, your dad's company. Because your mom is a gynecologist, who will take over such a big business? So you are thrown into medical college. Please don't do that. Be bold enough and be convincing and logical to talk to your parents that sorry, medical is not my cup of tea, Papa. I love history. You have to be bold enough, and I know you are. And parents are also these days helping what they love to do. And fourth one, yes, fourth one, I really want all of you to pay attention, fancy attractions. You watch Three Idiots and suddenly you will say engineering is useless. Oh, see, in that movie, engineering, I want to pursue wildlife photography. Why? Because Three Idiots. Wildlife photography. You have never tried a simple photography. But I don't want to do engineering. Engineering is not good. Physics, chemistry, no. I want to be wildlife photographer. Not because a movie, Chak De India, and then you suddenly want to make a career in hockey. No. If you are a good player, then these movies can be an inspiration for you. They can motivate you further to pursue your education, but mere watching and that glamorous, I love songs of Chak De India. What a energy, power. I love Shah Rukh Khan and I want to make career in physical education. I even don't know how to play any sports. Sorry, so don't run after such fancy attractions. Movies, talk shows, web series. You know, Suits is a very popular web series. So you always see the glamorous culture, office culture into those offices, and you decide, I want to become a lawyer. Sorry, Baba, that is not the way you should choose your career. People are doing this. Talk shows. You listen a wonderful talk show by Karan Johar and you know the wonderful talk shows on NDTV and all these beautiful channels, and you start deciding, I want to go for hotel management. Oh my God, this is international chef is earning crores of rupees, $1 million. He used to get so many foreign trips. I want to become a chef. And you have never cooked. You have not made a tea for your parents. So, so don't run after these fancy attractions. I'm sure, dear students and dear parents, that all those tips which I have shared with you and all the entire list of arts, commerce and science options, you will give a deep thought. You will do brainstorming. You will give sufficient time for choosing right career so that my dear students, I'm sure your entire life will be full of your passion, happiness, satisfaction, and yes, a career which will be chosen after such a deep thought given, the time given, the experiments given, the sample participations given. Once you have undergone all those things, dear students, I'm sure you are going to choose a right career. You are going to choose a right course in 11-12. You are going to make your career full of happiness, success, reward, and it's going to be a gratifying experience to all of you. My dear students, if you have any problems, any questions, please write into the comment box on my YouTube. I'll definitely answer to all your queries. I know it's a crucial thing. If you have questions about art, science, college, or the tips I have discussed, or the tips which I have done how not to choose, if you have any questions, just post on the comment and I'll be very, very happy to reply you individually. Thank you so much once again, dear parents, dear students, and I wish you all a very great and successful career.